prefer bagels over traditional toast? Well, now that you've got the Smart Oven Pro, you don't have to step out to a cafe for your bagel fix. A cafe-quality smoked salmon bagel can be made in your very own kitchen. Here's how. Set your oven to the middle rack position. When making bagels, the Smart Oven Pro has room for up to 6 slices, and you have complete control over the toasting darkness of your bagels with the temperature dial. This capability is really clever because browning can vary from bagel to bagel, particularly those made from white, dark, and seeded breads. If you're using frozen bagels, use the frozen button. When it is activated, it reduces the oven temperature and extends the timer slightly to ensure the bagel's heated thoroughly without burning the outside and without constant monitoring. When you're ready, hit the Start Cancel button to commence bagel browning. The LCD will turn orange and your timer will automatically begin. You'll also love the magnetic auto rack eject feature that works with the bagel setting when the wire rack is inserted into the middle rack position so you can easily remove your bagels. Cool, huh? Be sure to open the door slowly when the wire rack is in this position to prevent the rack from ejecting too quickly. While we're waiting, you might be thinking, what's the difference between toast and bagel function? It's a good question. The main difference is that when using the bagel function, the Element IQ system delivers more heat from the top of the oven to ensure you achieve that classic golden glow. A homemade cream cheese and salmon bagel with pickled cucumbers and crust salad. Oh, what a way to start your day, right?